he said this, what you see depicted before you is the battleground for our generation. Okay? Me included, not just you as young people, this is all of us, okay? Young and old together.
Hey guys, Dr. Brian Connolly here, founder of Faith Like Birds. Before you watch, would you do me a favor? If you actually like what it is that you see and hear, do us a favor, help us increase our reach by liking the video, even subscribing to our channel, and even sharing it. Because here's the thing, Faith Like Birds exists to be a movement of restored young lives laid down for Jesus, meaning we want to see a generation come in contact with the goodness, love, and power of God in a way that makes them free, and more than that, causes them to submit to the lordship of Jesus.
My wife and I, we live in a small property, kind of outside of Ephrata, Pennsylvania, about an hour and a half from here. And for 21 consecutive days, I had an encounter and I saw a praying mantis somewhere on our property. Okay, I didn't know this until hindsight when I began to look at dates and start to track this. I'm like, oh my goodness. Okay, but I'd be going through ordinary chores. I'd be going, up the back door into our house, and right next to our door on the siding was a praying mantis just looking at me with its beady eyes, staring right into my soul. Okay, we'd be eating dinner, and outside the kitchen table, we have a little window there, and there would be a praying mantis plastered to the window, looking in at us eating dinner. I'm like, is this guy hungry? Like, do I give him a few crumbs? So, this happened on and on and on, walking through the grass in our backyard and almost stepped on one. Okay, 21 days, consecutive encounters with these praying mantises. Okay, on day 21, I wake up, I come out of our bedroom and around the corner into our living room to come to pray a little bit while the house was quiet before anyone woke up. As I'm rounding the corner to get into our living room, right on the corner, we have a little stand with a little TV there. Right in the corner of that TV stand was a praying mantis inside of my house. Same thing, looking right at me as I came around the corner. How many of you would scream? What? First question is, how did the thing get in there? Okay? I have no idea, okay? But in that moment, as soon as I saw that, the Lord spoke to me something very clearly in my spirit. It wasn't audibly, but it was the closest thing probably that could have been to audibly. And he said this, what you see depicted before you is the battleground for our generation, okay? Me included, not just you as young people, this is all of us, okay? Young and old together. Is what was depicted there and what was outlined was, here's a praying mantis, which I believe resembled the place of prayer, of us coming back to what we're always created to, fellowship, communion with God, staying locked in. And right next to the praying mantis was a TV screen. Okay? He said, there's a battle for attention. Okay, and this is not meant to put any shame on anyone. Okay? Just gave me language with what I felt like, what I felt like I was meant to encourage people in is there's so much in the heart of God, so many mysteries that he wants to reveal to his children. But it takes us seeking after him fully to actually apprehend those things and to find them. And young people, I want to say that there are things that God has stored up in his heart to reveal to you that will come as you fix your eyes on him, and there's no other way to get it.
So if you want to partner with our vision and mission to see a generation restored and released into a relationship with God, not only just through our events, but also through media content like this, you can visit faithlikebirds.com and become a monthly partner today. Thank you for watching.